William stood in the quiet backyard, his eyes fixed on Bubbles as she chased a tiny white feather. But this was no ordinary feather. Instead of falling, it drifted upward against the gentle breeze, bobbing like a balloon in the sky. Chewy tilted his head, letting out a soft, curious bark, while Bubbles stopped in her tracks, flapping her wings in utter confusion. William reached out his hand, but the feather danced just out of his reach. Something strange was happening. The air felt charged, and the ordinary world began to feel very small. Suddenly, the WonderGate creaked, and a pulse of white and gold light rippled across the ancient wood. The feather symbol on the gate began to shimmer with a brilliant intensity.
A gentle breeze swirled around them as tiny glow sprites drifted out from the cracks like living embers. "Bubbles, I think this adventure is yours,"
William whispered. With a brave peck, Bubbles touched the symbol. A rush of wind enveloped them, and the trio began to shrink, smaller and smaller, until the blades of grass towered like giant trees above their heads. They stepped forward into the Sky Meadow, a world where gravity seemed like a distant memory. Everything here was drifting. Flowers floated through the air like colorful bubbles, and soft cloud puffs shaped like animals glided past them. A glowing gold feather hovered ahead, lighting the way. The glow sprites jingled in a chorus, "Follow the feather." Bubbles led the march with pride, while Chewy trotted behind, sniffing the magical air. William followed closely, holding the original feather tight in his hand as they approached a mysterious stone tablet. The tablet displayed 3 symbols: a feather, a rock, and a leaf. "We have to figure out what floats," William realized. Bubbles pecked the feather icon, and it drifted toward the sky. Chewy nudged the leaf, and it floated gently upward. But when William touched the rock, it dropped straight to the base with a heavy thud. The glow sprites chimed, "Light things float, heavy things fall." To unlock the path, 3 clouds appeared. Bubbles hopped onto the feather cloud, Chewy onto the leaf, and William touched the rock cloud. The tablet erupted in gold light as the heavy rock cloud sank while the others soared. The floating feather turned into pure light, and the Sky Meadow began to fade. In a flash, they were back in the yard, returned to their normal size. The original feather settled softly into William's palm. "Bubbles led the whole adventure," he said, smiling as Chewy booped her wing. The gate closed with a final golden shimmer, but the magic wasn't gone. William's backpack began to glow,
revealing a new silhouette of a glow sprite on the fabric. "Glow sprites, you are next,"
William said softly as the light faded to black, leaving only the promise of another journey.